Hey hustlers, welcome back to Money Hustle 360, where we help you turn your dreams into dollars. Today, we're diving into 10 easy YouTube video ideas that can go viral. If you're looking to boost your channel and attract more viewers, these ideas are perfect for you. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these concepts are simple yet effective. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First up, we have how-to tutorials. People love learning new skills, and creating a tutorial is a fantastic way to provide value to your audience. Whether it's cooking, DIY crafts, or tech tips, there's a huge demand for instructional content. To make your tutorial stand out, choose a specific topic that's trending or has a unique twist. For example, instead of just a basic cooking tutorial, you could focus on 5-minute meals for busy professionals. Make sure to keep your instructions clear and engaging, and don't forget to encourage viewers to share their results in the comments. Next, let's talk about product reviews. With so many options available, consumers often turn to YouTube for honest opinions before making a purchase. By reviewing popular products in your niche, you can attract viewers who are looking for guidance. To create an engaging review, be honest and thorough. Highlight the pros and cons, and share your personal experience with the product. You can also compare similar products to help viewers make informed decisions. Remember to include affiliate links in your description to earn commissions on any sales generated through your video. Way number 3 is challenge videos. These are incredibly popular on YouTube and can easily go viral. Whether it's a food challenge, a fitness challenge, or a trending social media challenge, people love watching others take on fun and entertaining tasks. To create a successful challenge video, choose something that's engaging and relatable. You can even involve your friends or family to make it more entertaining. Don't forget to encourage your viewers to try the challenge themselves and share their experiences in the comments. Next up is the day in the life video. This type of content allows viewers to get a glimpse into your daily routine, making it personal and relatable. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a stay-at-home parent, sharing your day can resonate with your audience. To make your video engaging, highlight interesting aspects of your day, such as your morning routine, work tasks, or hobbies. Use storytelling techniques to keep viewers hooked, and don't forget to add some fun commentary along the way. This type of content helps build a connection with your audience, making them more likely to subscribe. Way number 5 is reaction videos. These videos are all about sharing your genuine reactions to trending content, whether it's a viral video, a new music release, or a popular meme. People love seeing how others respond to things they're already interested in. To create a successful reaction video, choose content that's currently trending or highly discussed. Make sure to add your unique perspective and commentary to keep it entertaining. Your personality is key here, so let your emotions shine through. This type of content can attract a lot of views, especially if you react to something that's already popular. Next, we have life hacks. Everyone loves discovering new tips and tricks that can make their lives easier. By sharing creative and practical life hacks, you can provide value to your audience while keeping them entertained. To create a compelling life hack video, focus on a specific theme such as kitchen hacks, organization tips, or productivity tricks. Make sure to demonstrate each hack clearly and explain how it can benefit viewers. The more unique and useful your hacks are, the more likely they are to be shared and go viral. Way number 7 is Quanda sessions. This is a great way to engage with your audience and build a community around your channel. By answering questions from your viewers, you show that you value their input and are willing to connect with them on a personal level. To create a successful Quanda video, ask your audience to submit questions through social media or the comment section of your previous videos. Choose a mix of fun and serious questions to keep it interesting. This type of content not only helps you connect with your audience but also encourages more interaction in the future. Next up is behind-the-scenes content. Viewers love getting an insider's look at how things work behind the camera. By sharing your creative process, you can make your audience feel more connected to you and your content. To create engaging behind-the-scenes videos, showcase your filming setup, editing process, or even the challenges you face as a creator. This transparency can help demystify the content creation process and inspire others who want to start their own channels. Plus, it adds a personal touch that viewers appreciate. Way number 9 is top 10 lists. People love lists because they're easy to digest and provide valuable information quickly. Whether it's top 10 movies of the year or 10 must-have gadgets for 2025, this format is highly shareable and can attract a lot of views. To create a successful top 10 list, choose a topic that's relevant to your niche and resonates with your audience. Make sure to provide interesting facts or insights for each item on your list. Use engaging visuals and editing techniques to keep the video dynamic and entertaining. Finally, we have collaborations. Partnering with other creators can help you reach new audiences and grow your channel. By collaborating, you can combine your strengths and create unique content that benefits both parties. To create a successful collaboration, choose a creator whose audience aligns with yours. Plan a video that showcases both of your personalities and expertise. This could be a joint challenge, a discussion on a relevant topic, or even a combined tutorial. Collaborations not only introduce you to new viewers but also foster a sense of community within the YouTube space. Now that you know 10 easy YouTube video ideas that can go viral, here are some tips to help your videos gain traction. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and ask for feedback. Building a community around your channel encourages viewers to return and share your content. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click on your videos. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's visibility and search results. Promote on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your channel. Stay consistent. Consistency is key on YouTube. Regular uploads help keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. And there you have it. 10 easy YouTube video ideas that can go viral. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, hustle smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.